Have you ever wondered how Earth, the beautiful blue planet we call home, came into existence? Our story begins 4.5 billion years ago, in the depths of the early solar system, a chaotic place filled with dust, gas, and fiery collisions. Today, we take you on a journey back in time to witness the birth of our planet, from a swirling cloud of cosmic debris to the thriving world we know today. It all began with a giant molecular cloud known as the solar nebula. About 4.6 billion years ago, a shockwave from a nearby supernova disturbed this cloud, causing it to collapse. As gravity pulled the gas and dust inward, a new star was born at the center, our Sun. The remaining material continued to orbit the young Sun, forming a protoplanetary disk. Within this disk, tiny particles of dust began to collide and stick together, gradually forming larger and larger clumps. As time passed, these clumps grew into planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Through a process known as accretion, these planetesimals collided and merged, forming larger bodies. One of these growing masses would become Earth. In its early days, Earth was nothing like it is today. It was a molten, fiery world, constantly bombarded by meteors and asteroids. The intense heat caused the planet to remain in a molten state, with heavy elements like iron sinking to the core and lighter elements rising to form the crust. One of the most significant events in Earth's early history was the formation of the Moon. Around 4.5 billion years ago, a Mars-sized body known as Theia collided with the young Earth. The impact was catastrophic, but from the chaos came creation. The debris from the collision began to orbit Earth, eventually coming together to form the Moon. This event stabilized Earth's tilt, giving us the seasons we experience today. As Earth began to cool, volcanic gases filled the atmosphere with water vapor. Over time, this vapor condensed into clouds, and torrential rains began to fall. These rains lasted for millions of years, eventually forming the first oceans. These bodies of water would become the cradle of life, setting the stage for the first living organisms to emerge. Earth's early atmosphere was vastly different from what we breathe today. It was filled with carbon dioxide, methane, ammonia, and other gases, a toxic mix that would be deadly to most life forms today. But this atmosphere played a crucial role in shaping the planet. It protected Earth from harmful solar radiation and helped regulate the planet's temperature. With oceans in place and a protective atmosphere, Earth was ready for its next major milestone, the emergence of life. Around 3.8 billion years ago, simple single-celled organisms appeared in the oceans. These life forms would go on to shape the planet in unimaginable ways. Over millions of years, these organisms began to produce oxygen through photosynthesis. This marked the beginning of a transformation that would eventually lead to the breathable atmosphere we have today. From a swirling cloud of gas and dust to a thriving blue planet teeming with life, Earth's journey has been nothing short of miraculous. The story of our planet's birth is a reminder of the incredible forces at play in the universe and the delicate balance that makes life possible. Join us next time as we continue to explore Earth's hidden stories and unravel the mysteries of our planet's past. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fascinating content from Earth's hidden stories. Quiz time. Before we wrap up, let's see how much you remember from today's journey. What is the name of the cloud of gas and dust that formed our solar system? Which planetesimal collided with Earth to form the Moon? How did Earth's first oceans form? What key process allowed early life forms to produce oxygen? Drop your answers in the comments below. We'd love to see how well you did. And stay curious, there's always more to discover.